exploring the depth of unity with ancestors. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to dive into a fascinating topic that resonates deeply within many cultures around the world: unity with ancestors. This phrase carries a profound meaning, intertwining the past with the present and guiding us towards a deeper understanding of ourselves and our heritage. Whether you're learning English or exploring cultural expressions, understanding this concept will enrich your knowledge and appreciation of global traditions. At its core, unity with ancestors refers to the sense of connection and belonging that people feel with their forebears. This is not just about knowing who your ancestors were, but feeling a deep, spiritual, or emotional bond with them. It's about recognizing the impact they have had on your identity, values, and the broader community to which you belong. This connection can manifest in various forms, such as traditions, rituals, storytelling, and even in the way communities are structured. It's a powerful concept that reminds us of our roots and how the past shapes our present and future. The idea of unity with ancestors holds significant cultural importance in many societies. It's a principle that underscores the respect and reverence for ancestors, acknowledging their contributions to society and their role in the lineage. In many cultures, ancestors are seen as guides or protectors, offering wisdom and guidance from beyond. This can be observed in festivals, ceremonies, and practices designed to honor and remember the ancestors, ensuring their memory and legacy continue to influence and inspire future generations. Embracing unity with ancestors can be a deeply personal journey. Here are a few ways to foster this connection. Learn about your heritage. Research your family history, stories, and the cultures they came from. This knowledge can provide a sense of belonging and identity. Participate in traditions. Engage in cultural or family traditions that honor ancestors. This can range from celebrating specific holidays to adopting certain practices in your daily life. Create a space for remembrance. This could be as simple as keeping photographs of your ancestors in your home or creating an altar with items that represent them. The concept of unity with ancestors is not just about looking back. It's also about how we carry forward the values, lessons, and legacies of those who came before us. It encourages us to reflect on how our actions today will impact future generations, fostering a sense of responsibility and continuity. In a world that often values the new over the old, reconnecting with our ancestors can provide a grounding sense of purpose and identity. It's a reminder that we are part of a larger story that spans generations, and that our ancestors' dreams, struggles, and achievements are woven into the fabric of our own lives. Understanding and embracing the concept of unity with ancestors can enrich our lives in countless ways, offering a bridge to the past and a guidepost for the future. It's a beautiful reminder of where we come from and the legacy we hope to leave behind. Thank you for joining us on this exploration, and we hope it inspires you to connect with your own ancestors in meaningful ways.